Have you ever wished everyone would stop acting like your doctor or therapist or minister? Here's the thing. I believe what we're really wishing for is to start acting from our own personal authority, to trust what feels right for our own bodies. I've learned to stop pushing for results by chasing everyone else's opinion and start pausing for reality and listen more deeply to me, body and mind independently. I'm often reminded life doesn't run at one pace, and the one judging me for slowing down my pace is me. As I've stopped imposing challenges that feel unsuitable and relax into my body's knowing, I feel more hopeful. I resolve or recover more quickly. We grow stronger as we choose our own inner authority. We gain hope as we trust our own experiences. Your body is asking for you, your attention, your care, your devotion. Slow down enough to choose you in the workplace and your workouts. Simply make you your choice rather than the challenges before you. I can help you discover for maybe the first time how to listen to your body's language and respond to its needs so you stay relaxed on the inside and strong on the outside. Your posture and workouts have a lot to share that supports self-development. Curious?